Hiya. So this is just going to be a video about time for a change. Also about some presidents. And generally how it's all built around mathematics. We all know time is associated with the number 12 because of our 12-hour system, day and night. We know that there's also the mathematical connection between 144 with 12 squared, 12 by itself, times 12 being 144. Then also with our minutes and hours system, which is in that bottom left down there, 60 minutes times the 24 hours, because they're variations of 12. It just happens to be with 1440. I just want to quickly show you something that you may not have seen before about those two different basic math equations to do with our time. And that's basically how we've just seen how that's 1440, the top one, minutes and hours in a day. This bottom one is the morning and evening, equaling the 144, 12 squared. But the bit underneath is the difference to get to that, if you know what I mean. You can see that. So the 12 times 5 is the 60. 12 times 2 is the 24. I hope that's clear enough. That's the bit that's kind of, I suppose, the hidden, the occult part of it, of the math. The difference of those two, because of that 0 there. To get to that, from that, you've got to times it by 5. That one you just have to double, times 2. On a digital mathematical calculator, for example, 5 and the 2 are the duality of each other. That's also how many weeks there are, of course, in our time system. 5 plus 2 days. 12 plus 12 hours there per day. So yeah, there's no dispute really that 12 is the key number in all of that for the time. 12 months of the year as well. A reminder that time in Latin / Jewish is 144. Now then, this guy, George W. Bush, you see his date of birth up there. He's currently 77 years of age. Yeah, 77, yeah? He'll become 78 on the 6th of July. 6-7. He'll start his 79th year. So currently 77 years of age. His birthday coming up 3 days time. Recording this and uploading on 3rd of July is his birthday. 77, birthday 6-7. 3 days. So his birthday's in 3 days time. Today's July 3rd. 3 days from the maths we know is 72 hours. 72 being split duality of 144. It's that halfway point in the day, basically in the year. July 2nd, July 3rd, when it's a leap year, which is today. We're exactly halfway through the year today. In 3 days' time, it's Bush's birthday. 72 hours. Half and half. It's July 3rd, so it's just crossed over from July 2nd. Duality of the time 144. But it's not just that. This is the mathematical perfection, as the title of this video will be called. That's his age right now, yeah, 77. Add it to his date of birth, 6th of July, that way around, also 144. So that's the time link shown a moment ago. All about time. His coming birthday and his year age right now has a specific link to time. I hope you can kind of see that just from the numerology of how old he is plus his date in 3 days. 144. Now connecting it with Trump, there's always 22 days from his birthday to George W. Bush's. See that there? Notice how there's 16 days left of June. 16 days left of June. And then 6 days of July gets you to Bush's birthday. So you got 16 days left of that month. That's your 16 there. And then 6 days into July is the time difference to get to Bush's birthday. And it just so happens that 22 plus 144 is 166. So I hope you know what I'm on about there. That's how long is left in June from Trump's birthday. 16 days of that month. 16. Then you go 6 days into July equals the 22 days. 22 plus 144 is 166. Now, if that's not perfect math, then this is, because Trump's birthday date we were just on about is day number 166. Mathematical perfection. It's a leap year. It's a very specific time that we're in right now. 166 day of the year was that date, 14th of June. 22 days, Bush's birthday. 22 plus 144 happens to be 166. It's not a coincidence, is it? Math isn't a coincidence. Or that Trump's birthday math is day 166. Goes beyond coincidence when it's numbers. But there's more. That's just confirming that math there for Donald Trump's birthday. 166th day in leap years, presidential election years. Just showing how the math for W. Bush's birthday, currently 77, his birthday is 6th of July, add those two together you get 144. 22 days from Trump's birthday to Bush's. 16 days left of June. There's your 16. And then 6 days into July. There's your 6. Incredible. 22 plus 144 is 166. Two numbers just shown, 16 and 6. Trump's birthday I've just shown on 14th of June is day 166 of this election leap year. Time right now, Bush's age. He's going to become 78. So Trump's already 78. He turned it there. Bush in 3 days' time will be 78 as well. The two together, 156. You notice how that is 144 plus 12. 12 times 12 is that. We've already established the connection of 12 and time. When you add 12 to that, you get 156, the two ages. But also the 156th prime. Again, mathematical perfection. This is what this is looking like, because that's 9/11. It's not very good handwriting of 9/11. 156th prime is 9/11. (144 plus 12 is 156. Their ages together is that as well. Incredible connection already with the dates of their birthdays. Specifically now for the leap year. Now, Bush being 77. 144 numerology. The 22nd is also, the 2-2 is important, because the 22nd prime is 79. That's the new year that they're now starting in. They're in their 79th years coming up for Bush. Trump's began his already. They're in their 79th year. There will be. Bush will be. 22nd prime. Prime. That's the confirmation for the 156th prime. 156 came from Trump and Bush's ages of 78 plus 78. That's what they've become. So they're starting their 79th years now. And that's the 22nd prime. And that's the 22 connection for the days between their birthdays. 22nd prime being 79, the year that they're in now for their ages, for their birthdays. They turn 78, double 156, which is 144 and 12 together. Association with time, big time. 156 prime. Mathematical perfection, 9/11. Cheers. Oh, check out the time on the clock. 12. 12, where it's all starts from, the time. Bush's birthday this time. Difference of time between Trump's birthday and Bush's. Mathematical perfection right now for this leap year. And their ages together is 156, which is 1440 to 12. 156 prime is 9/11. And it isn't a coincidence. It's math. In the 79th year, this is 22.